Basukela abantwana bami. Ngikhula la kuthiwa mawungalati izibane ongaphandle kwestrata yazi ukuthi sokusebusuku. Besithi masidlala estradeni siluke sibheka ama lights ukuthi awa light na. Ngoba if angazi mistake a light usase estradeni uyazi ukuthi uya in trouble. Because as a young child okungafunekanga uhlale ngaphandle ebumnyameni ungekho ejardini. Because that was a way of our parents protecting us. Because darkness, that's where things happen. That's why they wanted us to be indoors while it's still light. Sometimes you find that maybe lights by mistakes, it's like them or 4. And your parents happen to be outside and check a light, you'll be in trouble. You never say no, but akupsu. What you needed to wash was isibani. Isibani masicima fanele ube sejardini. And it was nice because it was reminding us as children that kunesikhathi sokudlala, kunesikhathi sokubuyela ekhaya. Yonke isikhathi sinomsebenzi walo. Besivumelekile ukuthi siphume ngalesikhathi sibuya ngalesikhathi. Umthetho and imfundiso oyifundiswa yona ukuthi nawe lemfundiso uyifundisa abantwana bakho. And kwakuyimfundo emnandi leyo ngoba abazali bethu bebesitshela ukuthi mangithi kuwe mntanami yenza ukuthi ngiyenza ngoba nginebanga. Thina ke besingabuzi ukuthi why ngifanele ngingayenzi. Cha no. Because ungitshela into ayaziyo ukuthi I right. Because he has made wrong decision before. And angeke afune ukuthi angipha ama decision wrong. Sometimes akawenzanga uzwe ngabanye abantu bemchazela. Naye manje wenzani usiza abanye. That's how it is. As African children, those are the days that were nice. And there's nothing wrong to go back to where you were before and taste that kind of environment. And what I like about our growing up as young people, the relationship we had with elderly people, that was smart, because there's a difference between hearing and listening. Most kids, they were taught to listen. Bamamele, bangezwa. Because mawuzwa, different. Ingena la, iyaqambukela. But mawuthi uyamamela, kunerabha eyibambayo into ofundiswa yona. Imfundiso ebesifundiswa ke thina leyo. Ngiyabonga abantwana bami.